Hello guys! Ngayon magluluto tayo ng rice biryani. Ito ang ating mga ingredients. We have butter, soy sauce, raisins, mixed vegetables, onion powder, garlic powder, cinnamon sticks, salt, black pepper, cumin, and yung ating rice. So first, lalagay natin yung butter. So, pag kumukulo na siya, lagay natin yung ating mixed vegetables. So, importante na may extra water siya kasi kapag binubuksan natin, ay evaporate yung water. Kaya dapat may extra water siya. Ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng ating ibang spices. Oops, sorry. Yung ating raisins. And yung ating soy sauce.
And this is our rice biryani. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time mag-upload ako ng bagong video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!